So I work in the area of animal welfare, and broadly that means trying to improve the lives of animals that are under human care. One is we're looking at opportunities to provide outdoor access for dairy cows. The old-fashioned way of farming is many cows would spend much of their lives on pasture, but in many modern farms, cows are kept indoors, and that can be for a variety of reasons. And one of the things we're trying to do is actually partly to understand the reasons that farmers are using for their different practices, but then also to be able to provide farmers with a broader range of options that work well for the farmer, but also really provide benefits for the cows. And on the laboratory animal side, one of the things we're looking at is we've known for a long time there's lots of advantages to providing bigger cages for rats, for example, providing cages which provide the animals the opportunity to do much more stuff, like to burrow, even to swim, to climb. But that's hard to do in many laboratories. So one of the things that a project that's going on here now is to look at providing the rats a period of time in what we call a playpen, in this big enriched environment that the rats don't always have access to, but let's say every day for an hour or so. So maybe it's more like thinking about with your own dog, is the dog won't necessarily live in the park, but you take him out for a big long walk in the park every day.
I think for me, the greatest reward is the diversity of what we do. So, one graduate student is currently working in the BC SPCA's animal shelter, improving conditions for the housing of cats. Another just finished a PhD at the Vancouver Aquarium's Marine Mammal Rescue Center, where she made a huge transformation in how the staff look after orphaned harbor seal pups. One is working in the area of calves and how they are sold from dairy farms, often at a young age, sometimes transported long distances, and the kind of checks we need on whether the calf is ready to be transported. So there are 3 different examples, 3 different species, the same motivation to improve the lives of animals, but with very different focus.